Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw your dream to earn token, and also if it is time for you to swap to real money and just withdraw to your bank account and all. I've been seeing comments and some of you have been sending me questions also regarding this token, so I'm going to place a withdrawal. In this video I'm going to show you and guide you how you can go about it. I did a video on this extensively in the previous video, which you guys commented on and asked your questions. I also showed you how you can withdraw in that video, but I did not withdraw because as of the time of recording that video I haven't reached the threshold to be able to withdraw. I had about 34 to 5,000 okay up here as of that time, and right now I have 161,000 okay, but I've actually not been consistent mining this token, but this is what I have so far. So I'm gonna show you guys how to withdraw basically. Now for you to withdraw, you come to wallets. If you remember, if you haven't watched the video guys from the previous one, please watch it so you understand what I'm doing here, because you might just be confused. And if you want to watch this one first, then you can go back to that one, either one. So let's go. So to withdraw, you just come where it says withdraw as usual, and here you place in your address. That's the address to the wallet address of the token. I'll show you how to do that. So you see, I keep referencing back to that video, so if you haven't watched it you will understand what I'm saying. So but you copy and paste your wallet here, and then you put in the amount. Just so you know, I have 161 right here to withdraw, but of course they're going to take 24,000 as you can see right here, and yeah, and the minimum to withdraw of course is 48. I have more than that. Okay, so to withdraw I have to copy the contract address or my wallet address, but in the previous video I already did that. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go home, and I'm gonna go to Trust Wallets. Just want to show you guys that I already created my distance from the last video. So yeah, okay, so this is my Trust Wallet, and if I scroll all the way down, as you can see by the bottom here, BNB Smart Chain Dream Token, I already created it. Okay, I already did that. Now I just want to show you guys that this coin seems to be quite legit. If I go to where it says about, as you can see it says Trust Wallet identifies and says no significant risks found. Okay, so it means that these guys are really good with this. Is a good project, and if you haven't been mining, you seem to be missing out and all of that. So if I would advise you to just try to mine this token. Okay, so let me try to withdraw. To withdraw now I have to come here and I'll click receive. Okay, then I'm going to click on copy. All right, and then I go home and go to the app, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, I'm going to paste it, and when I paste it, that's my wallet address. I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. I'm going to click on all. Okay, I'm going to click on all, and that is all I have in my distance. And go down, I'm going to click on confirm. It says, are you sure you're withdrawing blah 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 the amount? Withdrawals to incorrect address results in loss of your assets. So I'm going to click on yes because I'm sure it is the correct address. And withdrawal request created. Okay, so I've created a withdrawal request. So let's see how long it's going to take for me to get it. For some of you who are wondering, I've seen some comments say they didn't receive it, but then after some time they now confirmed in the comment section that they have received it. And so let's see how long mine is going to take basically. So while I've sent that, as you can see right now, refreshed, I have 55 dream token left. So yeah, so I'm just going to go home. Right now I'm still mining, and yeah, If you don't know how to do this, please watch my previous videos so that you know how to actually mine this token for real. So let me show you guys what the cost of this token really is. Honestly speaking, you want to know how much the token is, right? You want to know if it is worth it, if it is what you want to do, and all of that. So it's a good project. So I'm just going to show you guys what this project is all about. So let's go to my browser right now. I use Chrome, so I just want to confirm some things to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to search Dream to Earn contract address or whatever it is. As you can see right now, it's the first. I was there before. So this is the website of Dream to Earn, right? Get rewarded for sleeping well. Okay, and get it on Google Play, App Store. It's on iOS also, basically. Now, as you see here, it says invest now. What do they mean by invest now? It means that you should buy. If you really like this project, it means that you should buy the token. So how much are you going to buy and how much do they sell it, basically? So I'm going to click on invest now, and as you can see, it says not connected. It means I haven't connected my wallet. Now, to connect your wallet, they accept any wallet, basically. So I'm just going to try to see which wallet pops up. So it says select wallet. I can use MetaMask, I can use Trust Wallet, but I am not connecting my wallet, because if you are connecting your wallet, it means you want to buy the token, and I don't want to buy the token. I just want to keep mining and see how much I am able to mine. Okay, that being said, let me show you guys what you are really after. So it says, if you look down here, it says Dream to Earn tokens are sold at 200,000 Dream per 1 USDT. So what does that mean? It means that if you have 200,000 Dream token, that's about $1, right? To be honest, is it cheap? Or is it not worth it? I don't know. I don't know if it's too cheap or if it's just not worth it, but it is worth it considering how easy it is to mine the token. If you right now, I haven't been consistent and I have 161, right? So imagine I am consistent and I get much more Dream token. So that's I can make as much money as I can. So another thing I want to bring to you guys is that you can actually increase your the amount that you mine, the amount of Dream token you get on the app. You can increase it. Okay, I will show you that in a minute. Just stick with me in this video. So I want to show you guys another thing in this app. Just hold on. If you scroll all the way down, in case you're wondering how you can withdraw, for those of you who haven't connected your wallet to that, you don't have the contract address, I'll leave it in the description, so you just copy it. But this is where you can also find it. If you scroll all the way down, I think yeah, if you scroll all the way down, you will see where it says what are the Dream address and details. Yes, there you are. As you can see, the token address is this. So you just come here and you copy the contract address and you do what you need to do. So this is more information for you here. It says there is 200 billion Dream tokens in existence, which is split into 4 parts, each consisting of 50 billion Dream. This past allocated as follows: 50 billion Dream of crowd sale, 50 billion Dream for pancake swap liquidity, 50 billion Dream for rewards given out in app, 50 billion Dream for development and marketing fund. That is how they distribute, or they plan to distribute it. So guys, this project is really nice and I think you should just keep mining. You can use MetaMask, but for me I'm using Trust Wallet. They also support it. And I just want to show you, for those of you who haven't been, who have been doubting or wondering what the cost is, as you can see right here, 200,000 Dream for 1 USDT. Honestly, I think it's sensible, is it? Because if you come to the app, let's go back to the app, guys. If you come to the app, it's very easy to get that. Let me show you how to increase and maximize the amount you get. Now in the app, right, if I will end sleep in 4 hours 57 minutes, which is where I am currently, if I sleep for about 8 hours and I click on end sleep, right, let's say I click on end sleep, okay, you see I haven't earned anything, but usually I'll get about 550 max. I haven't gotten anything more than 550 before. But how do you increase that? How can you increase it? Easy. You see this icon here, the crown? When you click on it, okay, I don't know how, depending on the country you are from, okay, depending on the country you are from, as you can see, it says boost your earnings while sleeping. Lifetime, 12,500 naira. Now if you're in Nigeria, this is extremely cheap considering what this project is gonna bring, you know. And monthly is free, 100% off and all of that. Quarterly, so the best deal here is to go with the first one that says lifetime, to be honest, which means you don't need to pay again. But if you keep going and buying yearly, it's like a loss. So when you do this deal, that's for those of you who want to invest. When you buy this deal, okay, let's say I click on it, I want to purchase lifetime, okay, it's gonna ask me for my card and all of that, okay. So it's easy to buy, basically. You don't have any problems with that. Just click on purchase for lifetime or monthly or something. So that's it basically. So increase this in the app, increase your earning power in the app by investing. It's an advice, I mean, it's not a must that you should. I'm just telling you if you want to make the most out of this. For me personally, I'm actually gonna invest in this. I'm gonna try to increase my stuff. So yes, so that's it guys. To be honest, if you like this content, just like and subscribe guys. If you like information like this, I just hope you guys understand it from my point of view. So I just want to check if I've been able to get my dream token, because you know it's been a few minutes. If I haven't gotten it, I'll still so let's see my trust wallet, just to see how long it takes, basically, just to see how long it takes. Nothing, because I know I'm still going to get it. So okay, so let's go back to the... Okay guys, so as you can see right here, 137,900 and blah 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 dream. So I've received it. So it did not even take, it didn't take up to 20 minutes for me to receive this the token. So I've received the token, and yes, receiving it, they've taken their charges. Remember, they're going to take 24,000 of the coin, which they did, you know. So right now it's showing 0. The reason why it is showing 0, because I remember someone asking why it is showing 0. It is because they haven't launched yet. The project is still in its beta form. It is still, you know, they're still setting up some things before they come out fully, you know. So guys, just keep mining, keep withdrawing to your wallet, and yeah. So for this 0.0, that's what it is. Mining completed and time. Okay, so just keep mining this coin and withdrawing guys, and you'll be good. Just keep mining and try to increase your mining rate in the app if you can. I'm just giving my own advice and suggestion. If you can, you should do that. I think it's more profitable that way. Just don't do something extravagant. Just, I mean, if you don't find the amount too much, just go with the life plan. So I'm gonna do that. Don't forget, you just need to click on the crown and it brings you here. Basically that's it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel guys, to show your support. What's the essence of you viewing and it was helpful for you and you did not subscribe? So please subscribe guys and like the video, and let me know what your views are about the app and the project as a whole in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and goodbye.